Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so I'm back from traveling, and yeah, yesterday we made a new all-time higher high, so that's amazing. Now, the thing that it's less amazing, it's well, kind of done what he had to do. So it was 106,748, and we had exactly 106,630, pretty much close. And I believe now that's it. Can we go higher? Yes, we can. But I mean, what else can we want more? And also, we had this crazy week liquidation, and I'm guessing this. I'm not considering that anymore as a fourth wave. Forget about it. That's getting pretty much all invalidated, I would say. Let me see here. So we had the wave 3, we have the wave 4, and we had a fifth wave now. And yeah, let me put here, what level did we reach? 2 point, you know what, I think this is the wrong setting. So there you go. Diagonal left. So we went a little bit higher than, well, actually between the 2.236 and put 2.38 for this fifth wave. And once again, how greedy do we want to be? Can it go a little bit higher? Yeah, well, you know, it can. So if this is a fourth wave, that's the catchy thing. So this could have been an A, a B, and this is the C for this fourth wave. So I could actually move this fourth wave here now and say this was a wave 1, this is wave 2, and we kind of made maybe the third wave. I think I can get out this one. You remember when I was going higher, I did tell you watch out for these two levels. It actually did the job, and I can get rid of that. So now, you know, this is micro counting, and once again, it doesn't have to fulfill this micro counting. We are on the 1 hour. Okay, so let's work it out here. Extension. So from the bottom of the top of the first wave to the end of wave 2, allegedly. I should have moved it more on the right side. This little fellow here. Okay, so let's see what we get. I guess I can put it in orange right away. Oops, orange. Let's see. Not that great. Did I already use the diagonal? Yeah, it's the same. Okay, so to call this a third wave has to go a little bit higher. Let me double check if I didn't do any mistake here. Oh, okay, wave 1, wave 2. So these are the levels. If we don't reach it, then, you know, like, yeah, it's failing, right? So ideally, this third wave has to go, ideally, 110. And after that, we're going to have the fourth wave somewhere, and then the fifth wave. All right, so this is micro counting. If I scale back and I just check the white count, well, it did what it had to do. And that's pretty much all on Bitcoin. So today, this week, just keep an eye on Bitcoin. If it goes on the side, I believe all the the altcoins are going to maybe jump up and do that fifth leg that could have been already done. I'm watching closely AVAX, Avalanche. Now, this was the third wave, and now the question is this already finished, this fourth wave? But it was so shallow that, yeah, let me put the 0.2 0.36. So, it did go, almost reached the 0.382, but this can be just an A. We did the B, and we can do the C later. Also, it did act as a diagonal. So there is a case for diagonal count here on Avalanche. So we need to be careful, give a little bit more room if needed. And I just want to make an extension now and calculate this as this was a wave A and this was the wave B. Now it is a little bit messy, I agree with you. But 1-to-1 ratio, $40.11, that would be the level it should be reaching. Ideally, now let me get off some because it doesn't make sense. And I'm going to put the 0.786 as a reference as well. So we're talking about, let me move it. Anyway, now as you can see, it's crazy. My charts are very messy. Didn't have time to work on it the last 2 weeks, really. So we're talking about $40.11 and $43 for the 0.786. Now I don't have time to go to do more, but in general, everybody, as you can see, is making a correction. Let me go on the crypto here. So Aptos, it's kind of fighting. We have, my God, BITGET coin, it's kicking ass. And I believe this was the third wave now, because at the beginning I thought maybe this was the fourth wave, but I believe now maybe this actually is the fourth wave. We'll have to adjust that. It's been a while I didn't adjust it, as you can see. Yeah, so this could be the A doing the B or working on the B now, and then C. Maybe it's going to be very, do a minimal correction. Anyways, very, very strong coin. All the rest you can see are pretty much red. Do we have any? Okay, Link, it's working hard. And ideally, if we can make it, not sure, because it did a very nice fourth wave, okay? Almost ideal, but it could go lower, and this could have been just an A overshooting wave B and a C. If it does that, it shouldn't go lower than $21.20. Well, I mean, it can go, but shouldn't go, and definitely cannot go lower than $16.60. Otherwise, it's looking not as bullish. And yeah, pretty much everybody else, it's in red. There you go. All right, so this is pretty much all for today. Let's see. In my opinion, everything, more than 10% negative, it starts to be interesting. For sure, we need to do pick and choose which one is more attractive. But yeah, I'm looking forward for that, for a flash sale maybe, who knows. And as for Bitcoin, once again, it could be that we did a new all-time high, now it's doing this, kind of challenging the previous support here, right? So if he can manage to go on the side, this is going to be amazing. All the alts, I think they will jump in, take the occasion to skyrocket a little bit higher, and that's going to be my time where I'm going to cash in on my and close on my leverage. I keep adding some position when there is a pullback, and then when they go higher, I take some profits. So this I did that in the last month, maybe 2-3 times. But the next time, I think it will be it. We'll conclude pretty much the fifth wave, and I will be happy to close on my longs, or maybe keep a little bit, but definitely taking out all, like 3/4 of my cash down initial cash that I put in, and definitely take out all the profits and let it run like that, maybe 25-30% of my initial capital, and waiting for a bigger fourth wave that Bitcoin will do, and altcoins will do as well. And that's going to be a very, very nice, maybe perhaps Boxing Day, yeah, like discount. All right, so this is pretty much all. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any special coin you want me to analyze, drop them in the comments, and I will try to do my best for tomorrow. All right, have a good day. Bye.